Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys just one very simple trick with Python script. Now, this is the first basic. These are the first basics that you need to know in coding. So, this won't be a very long video, maybe 1-2 minutes if I'm talking too long, because you need to know the basics before you do anything else if you're a beginner. So to print a word, to have a word on your script, you want to have something written on. Let me start that sentence again. Or every script needs something like maybe your GUI, who knows. Sometimes some words, maybe just a word, but I don't even know what I'm talking about now. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how to print words on your script. It's the first basic. It's the first thing I ever learned with coding, scripting, and it's very simple. All you want to do is just put print. Print. No spaces. Open bracket. Automatic into text. 2 brackets. Okay, and then just 2 little fly things, which are literally forgot what they're called, and then just put the usual is hello. It's not jello. Hello world. Okay, it's usually just hello world, and then if you want, you can do another line and do print open bracket nice to see you. And then we can just run that script. It's best to not do too much of the print script, really. Let's do that again. Okay. So all we got here is hello world. Now the basics about this is that it doesn't show print or the brackets or the little 2 fly things. Never does that, because it literally knows what you're gonna do. So hello world is the only letters that's gonna be inside of that script. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. That's the first basic of scripting. In the next video, I'm gonna show you guys how to script a what's your name? So it can ask you what your name, and you can put it in, and it would answer with a random answer. See you guys in the next video. Bye.